Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make flour murukku. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, some oil for frying, 3 cups of water for steaming, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, 1 tablespoon of Cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of Carom seeds, 2 tablespoons of soft butter or you can use ghee, 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3/4 cups plus 3 teaspoons of water for kneading the dough. You will also need a murukku machine. There are so many different types in the market and you can get them from any Indian shop. A piece of cloth for steaming, a piece of foil, and you will need some oil and a pastry brush to grease the murukku machine. The first thing we need to do is steam the flour. Take a small dish, place a piece of cloth in the dish, add flour and wrap it well. Take a pot, put it on medium heat, place an egg ring or an inverted dish or a steamer in the bottom, add 3 cups of water, put a lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, carefully place the dish with flour on top of the egg ring, inverted dish or steamer, put the lid back on and steam it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, turn the heat off, open the lid and take the dish out using a tongue and place it on the bench top. Carefully lift the bag out and place it on a plate. Unwrap the cloth and what you should see is a hard lump of flour. Use a fork to break up the lump into small pieces and let it cool down for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, use a sieve or a strainer to sift the flour into a big dish and break up any lumps as you go. Take your sifted flour, add chili powder, cumin seeds, salt, sesame seeds and Asafoetida or Hing. Take your carom seeds in your palm and crush it into the dish. Give the dry ingredients a quick mix using a spoon. Add soft butter or ghee and give it a quick mix using a spoon first and then use your fingers to rub the butter well into the flour. Add water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. Cover it up and put it aside while we get the murukku maker with the star-shaped mold ready. Grease all the parts with some oil using a pastry brush. Place the star-shaped mold in the bottom and screw it. Take some dough, fill it into the murukku maker. Cover the remaining dough to stop it from drying and screw the top on. Now take a fry pan, put it on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. While waiting for the oil to heat up, spread a sheet of foil on the bench top and lightly grease it with some oil using a pastry brush. Start making spirals or murukkus on the foil by moving the murukku maker in a circular pattern. Repeat this with the remaining dough. You will also need to line a dish or plate with some paper towel to absorb excess oil after frying. When you have finished making all the murukkus, it's time to fry them. When the oil gets hot, carefully place 1 murukku in the perforated spoon and slowly drop it into the oil. Depending on the size of the fry pan, you can fry 4 to 5 murukkus at a time. Fry the murukkus for 2 minutes on each side or until they get a light brown color. Take them out using a tongue, shake the excess oil off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this until you have finished frying up all the murukkus. My flour murukku or Maida Murukku is ready. Cool them down completely and store them in an airtight container and save it to family and friends. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.